The next would be adding the extractor. Let's run this first and see why we need the extractor, that extracting to text from the file. And to show you how this would work or why we need that particular PDF extract node, let's put the agent and then we're going to see exactly why we need that. So put the agents as we have done previously, and we are going to include OpenAI as a node, as the LLM. It's already set up from what we did initially, so no need for any other setting. Let's make it, yeah. All right. So I am going to run this, and then we're going to impute the files again. Pitch deck. Okay. Sure. All right. Fine. So we have the data here. All right. So we would impute it. As always, we have to define the prompts by clicking on define below. So we'll add the prompt we want to add. And you can find the prompts used for this particular project in the file attached below. That's the prompt we're going to use. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So we're telling the AI agent that you acting like a professional business coach and advisor for startups. The JSON file is here. Here is a JSON file. And we are going to import the file. We're going to import the file. So the challenge now, as we can see, there is nothing to import per se because we cannot read a file name. So if you drag file name here and you try to run this, it will not work because there is no particular data. So it cannot see the PDF data, if that makes sense. Let's see what the result would be. All right, so output. Here's a problem. So we can see the results that it's actually imputed. Now, this makes no sense because it cannot read the speech deck, only the file name. You can see it's all generic because of the prompt already imputed. So it's like a business coach, yes, but it is not reviewing anything at all. There's no specific of what is inside the pitch deck itself. Just random, go to market, revenue are good, blah, blah. There's nothing exactly that actually tells it what we need it to do. And if you also do remove this and you put in upload your pitch deck, for example, it's 0, we would not still get anything useful because earlier it's just a file name and this is the mean type, no data. Again, you see, it gave the same answer as before. So you cannot read any particular content from the pitch deck. So we need a node that would extract the content from the PDF that we can use on the particular agent. Now, the PDF, when you upload the PDF via its end form, is going to be converted to a binary. This is where the actual content of the PDF is. But the agent cannot read this binary itself like this. So we need a node to convert it from binary to JSON for it to read. And that is where we need to impute this particular, not this, to close this. Yeah. So this particular extract file converts binary data to JSON, and we need PDF. Fantastic. So we'll clear what was already here, and then we'll copy, upload your pitch deck, and that is where the data is. We upload it here, and then we'll execute it. Fantastic. So as we executed it, this is the whole details from that particular pitch deck. And then we can now pass the data we got from here into the agent. So we'll go back here and they already have this. So now we'll scroll back to the prompts and remove this and simply take this text here. Fantastic. So now it can read what is on the pitch deck. To confirm, we click execute. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Okay, beautiful. So we see now it's a lot better, right? So it is telling us a problem, mentioning Nigeria, go to market, traction is missing TAM and some. It's mentioning names now. I think I'm going to see a name, AI developer experience, founders have strong. So right now you can really see the content and giving it, for example, African focused VCs, that's data, right? To actually make sense of this once we send an email with a better readable text.